Morning, students. Today we are dealing with the first family of your syllabus that is mentioned in BSc third year semester 6th paper 20. The name of the family is Asclepiadaceae. Asclepiadaceae is a very common family. The plants are very commonly available in our atmosphere. Most commonly we'll find that Calotropis procera or Calotropis genta is commonly available in our atmosphere. I will show you that this is, just wait, this is Calotropis giganta. We commonly call it as a Rui, Ruti, Al, Akada, Madar. This plant is very commonly will find in our atmosphere, and that too on westline. That's why it is having somewhat xerophytic condition. Another plants are gymnemas and many other species belongs to this family is commonly available in our atmosphere. So we'll discuss today about the generalized character of this particular family. As you know that this family shows the generalized character if you observe that these are having the shrub type of the plants, and you will find that on each and every part, that is the stem and leaves, you will find that if you broke that one, then you will get the white latex. So that is also the important characteristic of that one, and that latex is useful for various medicinal purpose. Beside this one, we'll find that it is having a large quantity of flowers, and that shows that uh, both androecium and gynoecium that are joined together, and that we'll find that uh, these are commonly present in our atmosphere type of condition is there. Then we'll also find here that both this androecium, this is the beautiful structure of this androecium that join with this gynoecium. This condition is called as a gynostagium. Then we'll find that they are basically attached to these petals also. So epipetalous condition even you will find over here. Then apart from this one, you will find that the particular type of fruits are also present, and that fruits is having a calotropous condition. That fruit is having a follicle type of condition, and in that one, such a type of um, a particular opening is present. In case of follicle type of condition, you will find that they, after descent condition, they open from the dorsal side, and then the seed spreads in the atmosphere. So, like that one, this plant species is very common in our atmosphere. And if we discuss the general characters of this Calotropis, we will find that plants are normally herbs or shrubs, or in some cases they are having the tuners also, rarely trees. um, and you will find that leaves are having a particular condition that is opposite and decussate condition. We'll discuss in detail about that one. Then generally if we will observe that cymos or racemose type of inflorescences are there, flowers are hermaphrodite in nature, pentamerous in condition, calyx having 5 number, petals are having 5 numbers but gamma petalous condition, and that androecium is having corona, and that is arising from the outgrowths of the petals and attached to gynoecium. And then a stigmatic disc is there, very beautiful, and in that way, this plants matures and develop follicle type of fruits. So let us proceed the vegetative characters of this one. Um, the first one, if you could remember that while we are describing the family, we are supposed to discuss about the general characters. Then its vegetative character. In that vegetative character, we are supposed to discuss about the habit, mood, stem, leaves, then floral characters. That is about the inflorescence, flower, then calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium, fruit, pollination, then floral formula, floral diagram. After that one, then we are supposed to discuss about the economic importance. Then we'll discuss about the classification mechanism. In today's lecture, just we will discuss about its vegetative character, then in second part, then floral character, and then economic importance and classification mechanisms. So, if you observe this Asclepiadaceae and especially that Calotropis procera or Calotropis vegetative, the first part is habit. That is, it is a perennial wild xerophytic shrubs, means that grows up to 5, 10 feet height, having a stem, a green color structure stems from the basal side. It is having a thick and woody nature, but it is having the shrubs and it grows. If you go through the habitat of that one, so we'll find that it grows in westland where the dry conditions are there. On that places, normally it grows. So that's why it is the habitat is xerophytic, and that's why in our atmosphere, especially, we'll find that it is commonly grows over there. So this is about the first part of vegetative character, that is habit and habitat. Then root. We'll find that it is a dichotomic plant. So ultimately roots are underground, and that too taproot system, that roots goes inside, then divide and re-divide. So ultimately we'll find that it is having the branch, then very deep root system is there. Then if we go through the stem, so we'll find that the stem is having aerial condition, and that to erect. You, if you are observing this particular uh, plant condition, so you will find that stem shows that branched as well as sub branch condition. And if you see that just wait. Yes, you will find that the stem is showing that branched, having a green color structure. Sub-branched is also there, and even we will find that it is having a particular epidemical condition. If you break that, so from there we'll get the latex. So that is the important one. It is from the lower side. It is having the woody condition, then cylindrical in nature, solid, and it is also the hairy. That's why the surface is rough, and from there we find that latex is present. So this is about the stem condition. If you just bring a pin over there, so we get the white latex, and this latex, as I told you, that having a lot of medicinal significance. Now, after that one, then you will find that leaves, very prominent leaves of these Calotropis or Asclepiadaceae family, you will find in our atmosphere that normally the leaves are having ovate shape or elliptical in structure. They are having a particular arrangement that is opposite decussate condition. If you see, then you will find that it shows opposite decussate condition. Just wait, I will show you um, that particular condition. Just see that this if you are able to see this uh, excuse me, screen, then you will find that this is the leaf condition, where you will find that it is having opposite and decussate condition, means first two paper leaves that are present in south to north direction. Even left another two leaves are having east west condition. So like that one, each and every leaf structure is having opposite decussate condition, and that's why this is the important and ideal characteristic of this Calotropis or Asclepiadaceae family. Then leaves are simple, that are in almost all cases that are having the pedicellate. In some cases they are sessile, ex, um, stipulate, and that simply ambiguous oval shape. Uh, Leaves are having thick condition, that is leathery, and covered with hair and wax, unique cost great. And if you see that arrangement, so ultimately it is dicot plant, you will find that prominent midrib is there, and that midrib shows that um, reticulate condition, where you will find that it is having such type of prominent structure. Here you will find that it is having the reticulate type of condition. So in this way, you will find that leaves, the shape of the leaf as well as its arrangement is very beautiful. So this is about the leaf, and this leaf, this leaf provide the complete information about the vegetative condition. Now, the, if you observe the vegetative characters, then you have already gone through the structure of root, then stem, then leaves. This question may be asked for short question. Describe the vegetative characters of Asclepiadaceae, or describe the characteristics of the vegetative characteristics of Calotropis process. So you are supposed to write about this one. These notes I have already circulated. You have to go through this one. Then in next part, we'll discuss about the floral characters. Okay? Thank you. Take care of yourself and be careful about it. Bye bye.